Latest Chica actress Bill Mariano appreciates Donnie Pangalinan's support as she continues to focus on her career. Said niya sa isang panayam ng Showbiz Insider, I have my own work to do. Meron din siyang sarili niya. And the beautiful thing about us is we strive to become better individuals before kami mag-anuman, di ba? Focus ako sa career ko and he is very much understanding of that. At naiintindihan namin ang isa't isa kasi pareho kaming nandito sa showbiz industry, hindi ba?